Hello guys, so today we have our HTC model 626S. We are going to process for hard reset. The first thing that you need is the power key and volume up. You're gonna press them together. When it's vibrate, you're gonna release both of the bottom. And after you release them, voilà relâcher une fois que vous pesez bouton power avec volume en l'air, une fois qu'il vibre, vous relâchez. Now you're going to use the volume down or the volume en bas pour descendre now. Reboot bootloader. Utiliser power pour sélectionner et maintenant là on a mode recovery. Maintenant on va utiliser volume en bas pour descendre venir boot to recovery mode. You're gonna choose boot to recovery mode, and then you press power to select boot to recovery mode, and then now you are going to be in the recovery mode, and where you are going to choose wipe data reset and to process with the hard reset of the HTC. As you can see, now you have reboot system now in play. Now you are going to use the volume up to scroll down. So you so wipe data factory reset. Wipe data factory reset. You choose wipe data factory reset, and you're gonna select with power key, and then you're going to power volume down to select. So you're going to yes wipe data, delete all user data, and you're going to select with power key, and now everything gonna be okay. Okay, formatting data, and then you have a last answer to get is data wipe complete. Thank you so much guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more video in the system. Thank you so much.